For my part in this presentation, I get to discuss different types of animals that lived at the same time as the fern Glossopteris. Due to time constraints, I've chosen only 2 fossils, one invertebrate fossil, genus Favicites, and one vertebrate fossil, genus Diplocaulus. Genus Favicites is a colonial tabulate coral, nicknamed the honeycomb coral, as their honeycomb pattern is a distinguishing feature of this genus. Corals of this genus lived in warm, shallow, sunlit seas during the late Ordovician to the early Permian period. These fossils can be found worldwide, but are most common in Silurian era limestone, and come in a variety of sizes. They can be a few centimeters to tens of centimeters in all directions. This genus of tabulate coral is characterized by the closely packed corallites, each of which housed an individual coral, quote-unquote, animal, known as a polyp. If you look at the drawing to the left, you'll notice dots along the corallite walls, which are known as mural pores. These mural pores allowed for the transfer of nutrients between polyps. Genus Diplocaulus was a medium-sized lepispondyle, which is the technical term for an early amphibian, distinguished by its hourglass-shaped vertebrae. Members of this genus lived in swampy and freshwater areas during the late Pennsylvanian to the early Permian periods. Diplocaulus was a predator of small animals, and, because it was an early amphibian, it is unclear how apt and active of a swimmer members of this genus were. Diplocaulus fossils are characterized by their boomerang-shaped skulls, which were most likely a swimming aid, and were used to create lift in the water. Members of this genus were up to 1 meter in size, and genus Diplocaulus are the largest known lepispondales.